Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to show you guys how I style my wig straight out of the box. This is from MyFirstWig, and just because this isn't my first rodeo with them, I know that I would find nothing but good hair in here. So when you open the package, you get a foldable wig stand. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with a wig kit which has the following in it. An instruction manual, a rat tail comb, 2 hair clips and a pack of 18 pieces of bobby pins. You also have a flyaway tamer and 2 wig caps in the box. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the star of this video. Drum roll please! The wig itself, which comes in this sleeve that is ideal for storage and for travel. This is the Darlene Malaysian bangs bob hair cut lace front wig. Whew, that was a mouthful. It is a 12-inch silky hair in natural hair color with a 6-inch deep part line lace front that is light brown in color. It has 2 combs in front and 1 at the back, along with the adjustable straps. Then MyFirstWig went a step further by adding an adjustable band for extra security, as this is still 2019 and we have to continue securing the wig by any means possible. Before I proceed to wear the wig, I will quickly cut off the extra lace in front and at the back of the wig. And the bangs in front makes it really easy not to do much with your hairline in terms of using glue if you choose not to. I now go ahead and brush it out, get it ready for styling by pulling the bangs away from my face with the clips. Guys, remember to use heat protectant on your wigs before going in with your flat iron. Then working in sections, I will lightly bump and straighten the hair. Okay, enough of me talking. Please watch me do my thing. This is me using the flyaway tamer to tame the flyaway hairs that doesn't want me to look bomb in this wig. Whether the devil likes it or not, I am rocking this hair. And just like that, I am done installing and styling the wig. It's such an easy wig to put on, as I really love the length hitting me right on my shoulders. And can you guys see how neat the cut is? This is all shades of amazing. Be sure to check the description box for details about this hair, and I also included a discount code for you guys to shop this hair just because I am nice like that. Can you beat that? As always, please like this video, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the more we are here, the merrier. And until my next video guys, stay blessed. Cheers.